Here is my 2006 BMW 530i. Black on black sport package and premium package. So yes, it does have the sound system, the leather on leather, very nice wood grain, 160 on the speedometer. Yes, she will do all of that. All of that. And you could eat off of this engine. Pretty clean. Pretty clean. Ticking like a sewing machine. That's the first gen there, straight 6. 286 horsepower. Yes, she is a beaut. So, there it is, 2006 BMW 530i.